Hey guys, welcome. This is Donna and I'm here with a product reveal video for Gnome Witch Red Rubber Stamp. Now, I'm a huge fan of red rubber stamps, and this one features the Gnome Witch, which was illustrated by Chrissy Armstrong for Whimsy Stamps. The image comes on a 3.5 by 3 inch high quality red rubber mounted on cling foam. In this stamp set, there are two images. One is of the witch, and then one is of her little cat. And then you also get 3 sentiments in this little stamp set. So here we're going to stamp out the image. And I am using my Misty to help me stamp everything out all at once. When you are stamping with red rubber, you do want to remove that cushion. And then I'll go ahead and ink up my stamp with some black ink, and then I'll stamp that down. I do have one card to share with you using this stamp set, and I've also combined the newly released Slimline Wobbly Windows die and the new Vampire paper pack to create my shaker card. I will have a tutorial video for this card on the Whimsy Stamps channel tomorrow, so do come back and check that out. And be sure to check out the Whimsy Stamps website for all of the new products that are being released, as well as the samples from the other design team members. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and I'll see you another time.